for calling EMR Factors. How may I help you?
Hi, I submitted project 419 for testing. I'm calling to find out if it's ready.
Okay, please give me a minute. Let me check for you. I'm sorry, your product did not pass EMR.
Because
Engineering teams worldwide face increasingly difficult challenges in achieving signal integrity and compliance when designing electronic products. However, the status quo has become to expect the design to fail EMC testing not just once, but 3, 4, or as many as 5 times. Each time the design is sent to be retested, there is very little confidence in success.
This cycle is expensive in both the time it takes to redesign the product and the cost of expediting and fabricating the new PCB and assembly. Add this to the cost of retesting the product and the number adds up very quickly. These expenses and delays in product certification are usually not in the budget or schedule. The expenses do not only affect the bottom line of the electronics supply company, but they also affect the customers waiting for the products.
Instead of designing the next big thing, teams spend their time fixing the current one. As a result, billions of dollars are lost each year in the design of products expected to fail. On the 28th of February 2022, PCBAfrica engages the expertise of Daniel Beeker, a senior principal engineer at NXP Semiconductors, on the topic, the billion-dollar mistake. Wanna save $1 billion? Register now.
PCBAfrica,
Promoting proper PCB design techniques.